Okay, welcome to Chang'an University.
Thank you.
And will you please introduce yourself to us?
Yeah, I'm Rebecca Kelinze. I'm a PhD student. I applied in Chang'an.
Okay, and which major are you doing?
Logistics and management.
Oh, okay, that's nice. And you?
My name is Venance Pascal. My major is Information Communication Engineering.
Okay, so as new students of Chang'an University, I would like to ask you a couple of questions about how you feel about the university. So starting with you, how did you feel about the registration process, the teachers and the volunteers?
Oh, I had a really good feeling about the registration process. I would like to start by the enrollment process, my registration from the start, where the school was very, very welcoming with me, and they were really communicating. They sent me emails in case I needed to add another document or in case I needed to modify something while throughout the application process. And then when I came here during the registration, I met volunteers who helped me to put my documents together and then to meet the teachers to enroll me. And during the enrollment, there were numbers on each and every teacher's table where the volunteers would take me to each teacher, and then there was no language barrier. The teachers were very welcoming, they were friendly, and they helped me throughout the process. It was really heartwarming and good experience for me.
Oh, that's very good. And as for you, Ven, how did you get to know about Chang'an University?
I got to know about Chang'an University, first of all, through friends who had been here before.
Okay.
And despite having friends who had been here before, also I made research before coming here, which made me realize how much amazing this place is, as it has an amazing environment, very conducive, that allows students to engage more in their studies, and also it has amazing teachers who are very cooperative and supportive, which is really something good when it comes to a person who wants to study more and engage more in their career. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So would you guys recommend Chang'an University to anyone?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time and welcome to Chang'an University once again.
Thank you, Osman.